Wankhede plea as far as Aryan Khan series is concerned. Now Delhi High Court issues notice on Wankhede's plea against Aryan Khan series. Delhi High Court notice on interim order to Red Chillies Netflix. In fact, the hearing to take place next on October 30th. Wankhede has told court in reference to the series, there are posts trolling me, my wife and my sister. It's defamatory. They're surely not defending those posts, and court saying we appreciate there is cause in your favor to approach this court, but there is process to be followed. For more on this, we're joined by Nupur. Nupur, of course, Sameer Wankhede had approached the court earlier, with allegations of defamation and so on as far as this series is concerned. Take us through what happened in the court today.
Well, today, in fact, the court was informed that Sameer Wankhede has filed a fresh amended petition. He has not only sought an injunction, that is a stay on the scenes portraying him in the Netflix series Bads of Bollywood. He has also sought taking down of defamatory content on social media, which are trolling him after the series was made, showing his pictures along with the scenes from the Netflix series. Now, in an important development, the Delhi High Court has decided to entertain his petition. The court, for now, has issued notices to all the parties on the petition filed by Wankhede, which includes Red Chillies and Netflix, and sought their response to the arguments that he's making, that this show is defamatory in nature, and the social media trolling is also defaming him and his wife. So now, on October 30th, the Delhi High Court will be hearing responses from the respondents in the case as to whether this case should be heard or not. The first relief that Wankhede has sought is interim relief, that is, there should be a stay on broadcasting of this Netflix series.
All right, and Nupur, as you've been pointing out, of course, notices have been issued, which means responses have been sought in the next hearing. Now, you've been covering this. In fact, we did speak about what the petition really contained. Take us through some of the prayers as far as Sameer Wankhede is concerned, and how is Aryan Khan's legal team reacting to it really? We've not really heard anything, no official statement coming in from the side of Red Chillies or Aryan Khan.
Yes, of course, there is yet to be a response from them, because till now the court was not seen keen on entertaining this petition at all. So, because you remember last hearing, the court had asked them to amend the petition to make sure that to make a case that it actually falls in the jurisdiction of the Delhi High Court and not in the Bombay High Court. So, first of all, this is in the first instance, for the first time, the High Court today has agreed to hear this petition and issued notices. Now, since notices has been issued, we can now expect a response from the legal team representing Netflix, Aryan Khan, Red Chillies, and other respondents in this case.
Right, and also, as far as this petition is concerned, Nupur, if you can take us through the exact contentious scene that Sameer Wankhede is taking offense to, that particular scene, which apparently showed somebody who, was similar to, Sameer Wankhede, who had striking similarities with Sameer Wankhede. If you can take us through that particular contentious scene that is being challenged by Wankhede at this point.
Well, yes, that scene exactly, in fact, shows that it is a scene where they have shown a Bollywood party is going on, and Sameer, a person who looked like Sameer Wankhede, gets down from his vehicle and tries to catch a person who he thinks is involved in drug abuse. But when that person, the officer, gets to know that he is not from the Bollywood, he lets him go, and in fact goes on to arrest someone who appears to be from Bollywood. So this Sameer Wankhede said that the person looked exactly like him, and it was an attempt to defame him, while the proceedings against him are still sub judice. The cases that were initiated against Wankhede are still pending before the court. So he said that this is prejudicial to him, and has in fact asked the court to take down that particular scene which shows a person looking exactly like him.
That's right, Nupur, and also Wankhede's plea also noting that legal proceedings involving him and Aryan Khan are pending in Bombay High Court as well as NDPS Special Court, as you've been pointing out. Now, of course, Wankhede in the past has been accused of bribery and misconduct, especially post the arrest of Aryan Khan, and after which, of course, Aryan Khan was exonerated from that case. Ever since then, he'd been in the limelight over the alleged irregularities as well as misconduct.
Yes, of course. That is the exact reason he has been saying that already the cases are pending against him when it comes to allegations of corruptions or targeting particular persons from the Bollywood. Now, this scene coming from Aryan Khan series, we remember that there was this whole controversy where Aryan Khan was arrested from the cruise, and later it was found out that Wankhede was also accused of trying to extort money out of them, and there was several cases filed and opened against him also. So he is saying that many of those cases are still pending in the Bombay High Court, and making such kind of series shows him in bad light and is defamatory in nature. So basically he has filed a defamation suit and has as an interim order has sought that those scenes portraying a person like him should be taken down from the series, Netflix series, Bads of Bollywood, till the time the courts actually decides the outcome of this case.
Right, and also, as far as the suit is concerned, Nupur, we believe that Sameer Wankhede has also sought rupees 2 crore in damages, and of course, as you've been pointing out, direction to take down the defamatory content. So rupees 2 crore in damages is something that he has sought as part of the plea.
When it comes to the damages that he is seeking, we are yet to confirm that what exactly is his fresh demand in this new prayer. Because remember, this is a new petition, amended petition that he has filed. But as far as we know, that in his original petition, he had sought 2 crores and had in fact gone on to say that he would be donating that amount. But he wants the damages to be paid to be set to, so that an example is set and a message is gone out to show that this content was actually defamatory towards him. However, it will remain a question whether at all the High Court decides to proceed on his demands, because remember, this is just a notice to seek a reply from the respondents, including Netflix, Aryan Khan, and other parties in the case, that what they think about Sameer Wankhede's petition, and court will first hear them out, hear their lawyers out, before it decides to even go further on listening to Wankhede's prayer.